Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing the Ubiquiti UAP FlexHD. This is an access point that I'm going to try out. I have a long range access point, but it only supports about 886, I think it is, or 880 megabits per second down, and I just recently upgraded my internet to gigabit, so I needed something that could take advantage of that. This supports up to 1.7 gigabits per second. The other one was 800 megabits per second. This one is 1.7 gigabits per second. So this one can handle the full speed plus some. So we're going to try this out and see how it does. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it for you. This is just going to be an unboxing video, not a setup video. But I will do a video of the setup a little bit later on after it is ready to go. Let's see. Let me get my knife. Everybody seems to love these Ubiquiti videos, so I figured why not do another one. I got this new camera that is really nice, crispy autofocus. This thing is pretty small. If we can get it out of the box. A lot of suction. Okay, so this uses power over Ethernet. It is type AF. It does have a little mounting thing here because this can be ceiling mounted, mounted outside, mounted on the wall. So this also can be mounted, along with it. So there's that. Here is the access point itself. Nice plastic on it. It's almost like a canister. It's about the size of one of those skinny cans of Coke. Little mounting template, it looks like. Maybe. Oh no, these are for accessories for the mount. This looks like it is a wall mount for not quite sure what that's for. It looks like it would go to this somehow, but I don't know. I'm not going to wall mount it, so it doesn't really matter. This right here is the wall mount. It just sits in. Maybe this comes off. Yeah. That piece comes off. That's the tabletop part. And then this one looks like it goes. Yep, that one goes on there, and then you can wall mount it. This one, maybe this goes. Yep, that attaches just to the bottom like that for the wall mount. So that's how that goes. If you want to put it on a wall or a pole, I think you can use these zip ties to like pole mount it and stuff like that too. There's a whole bunch of different options for this, but like I said, this one has a rubberized bottom right here, so I'm just going to use that for a tabletop. It's going to go on top of my server rack because that's in the middle of my house, and that's where this one's going to be. It's going to be the midpoint. So here, like I said, is your power over Ethernet, and then just right here is your power cable. So I'm going to go get this plugged up and test out the speeds, and like I said, I'll do another video on the setup and the performance of it and everything at a later date. So Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.